Alright, in this video we're going to look at examples 3 and 4. I already worked out example 3 just because it's the same as examples 1 and 2. The way you work it out is the same thing. Just in here in example 3, they gave me angle 3 and 6 to work with. They're on opposite sides, so that's alternate interior because they're inside lines A and B. And alternate interior angles are equal, so I just put them equal to each other and I solved it the same way that I solved examples 1 and 2. The only thing I want to point out on this one is that we end up with an x value that's negative, and that's okay. You can have negative x values, but you can never have a negative angle. So if you get a negative x value, it's okay, but when you plug it back in for whatever angle they're asking you about, if your answer is negative, then that means you did something wrong in your work and you have to go back and check. Okay, so yes for a negative x value, but no for a negative angle. Alright, so example 4 is going to be a little bit different than the other 3 examples, because here we have angles 4 and 6, which they're on the same side of the transversal, and they're both inside lines A and B. That same side interior. And so it's different now because if you look at the rules, same side interior angles should add up and equal 180. So for this one, we're going to set up our equation a little bit different. We're going to take angle 4, 6x plus 42, and we are going to add our angle 6, which is x plus 61. And then we're going to put them equal to 180 because they're supplementary. That means they add up to 180. So now I have to solve this equation. So here the first thing you want to do is combine like terms. So I have 6x's here, and then I have 1x over here. So 6x plus 1x, that's 7x's. And then my constants, I have 42 and 61. So I want to add those as well, and that's going to give me 103. From there, I have the x value on the left side, so I want to cancel those two numbers on the left side. But first the constant, so first the 103. So opposite of addition is subtraction. I'm going to subtract it so that it can cancel. And I have to subtract it from both sides. So now I have 7x equals 180 minus 103. That gives me 77. And so now to get rid of the 7, here's where you divide. And it cancels out. You have to do it on both sides. So my x value is 11. 77 divided by 7 is 11. So that's my x value, and then I'm going to go back and plug in to find angle 4. So measurement of angle 4 is 6x plus 42. I'm going to replace my x with the 11 that I got, and then I am going to multiply this. 6 times 11, that's 66, and then plus 42, that's 108. So my final answer, measurement of angle 4, is 108 degrees.